All right, what kind of paint do you use? All right, the paint that I use is some that I mix myself. Um, I like it because I can make it thick, as thick as I want. I used to buy paint online. It would be really runny and it wouldn't do what I needed it to get the effect in the mural. And I use the same paint that I put in my do-it-yourself kits. So if you get one of those kits, you're going to have the same paint that I use when I paint the murals. It's both phosphorescent, which means it glows in the dark, and fluorescent, which means it will fluoresce. It looks like it's glowing under the black light. So if you have a black light on, there it is. Turn the black light off, and the fluorescence goes away, and then it will continue to glow if it's got a good charge on it. Um, that's pretty much it. So it's thick. Mix it myself. The paint will glow for, if you were to stay in the room and keep your eyes adapted to the dark, you would see this for 6 to 8 hours. Um, and yeah, it's great paint. I couldn't find this, so I had to start mixing my own.